How to catch felonies for $1.
When three sisters buy a $13 pizza from a gas station, they only pay $12. Police
$13? A pizza at a gas station for $13? I don't know about that, man. What is like the most expensive snack that you get at a gas station? $12 to $13 price point for a 12-inch whole pie with any amount of topping. Oh, there's a catch. Oh, hey, that's not too bad. Maybe these ladies know what they're doing.
Police are then called over.
And then they want to pay only, sorry, I'm pausing it again. I don't care. Go watch the video on your own. If you only have $12 and the pizza's $13, why are you taking their $12? So actually, I think I'm on their side right now, which is crazy.
It's already paid for, it's already made. I don't want it.
Do you have your ID, man?
I'm not giving you my ID. What you gotta pay? You gotta pay $1. Is y'all gonna give me my $12?
I'm not giving you anything.
Could they give me my $12 back? I don't want this.
I don't.
He's the police. Of course, he's not going to give you anything. And what exactly is going on here? How is she wearing that way? You know what? Let's move on.
Believe that they can because the pizza was made.
That don't make.
So do you want your pizza?
I don't want the pizza.
You can file a civil suit against them for $12.
$12?
I'm saying.
I'm not from down here. I don't know what's going on. Where's your supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Okay, so why can't you make them give her $12 back?
Because this is a civil interaction, is what it is. It's not a theft.
It's not a civil.
Their pizza.
Either motherfucker gotta get that motherfucker $12 to my sister, or it's gonna be that.
Why is it always an insignificant amount of money? It's always somebody saying that, like, oh, I want my $4 back. Oh, I need my $7.12 back, or I'm gonna drag this bitch all over the store. You know, shit like that. Plus, I'm still on their side. Why did they take the $12? Why did they start making the pizza and take your $12? That doesn't make any sense.
You tell me that the pizza is $11.99, $12. You don't tell me about no charge fee. I tell you it's gonna be ready in 20 minutes. Come back.
Charging fee? How many times have y'all bought something in the US? There's always sales tax. That Bud Light behind you, it's not $13. You're not gonna be able to buy it if you have just $13.
This is all over $1.
Are you one of
Yeah, it's $1.
It's not even $1.
Bro, if they weren't just screaming at them already and berating the police and stuff, I feel like someone would just give y'all $1. It's not a huge problem, but you guys screaming about it outside the store, they're calling the police. What? Because they called the police.
It don't even matter.
It don't matter about the dollar. I want my $12 back. That's what I want.
Do you want them to leave?
Yes, please and thank you. I want my $12.
What, I am confused though. I mean, is that a crazy take that I feel like they should get their $12 back? Is that crazy?
I don't want the pizza.
Okay.
It's the principle of the situation
Here's
that's
the deal.
all I get. Ain't no
You
deal.
can have your pizza.
I don't want the pizza.
Then you need to leave.
You need to give me my $12.
I'm not giving you anything. You need to leave or you'll be under arrest for trespass.
Yeah? That's crazy. I mean, you just didn't have enough money. I mean, have you ever went to the checkout, didn't have enough money, and then you got to put something back? I don't know. I just don't really think that that's right.
Nobody trespassing anything.
I know. You are now being told to leave.
You're now being trespassed, so get out.
I swear to God, let's just say I tell it. Yo, that you racist.
Why you gotta crash out every time though? Like this whole time they've all individually been crashing out, and it's just...
Don't you push on me.
Hey, don't push my
Out of the way.
You're under arrest.
Bro, this is over $1. $1. Holy shit.
Under arrest.
Get off. Get off.
Police officer, stop.
You're under arrest.
You are getting where you are going to jail. Or you want to be released.
You want to get back right now. Get back.
Turn around. Walk to my car right now. Let go. You're going to get charged with obstructing.
I don't know if this is like... I'm kind of on their side right now. Like, what did they do wrong? I mean, they literally just didn't have enough money, and they didn't want the pizza anymore. They just wanted their money back. I don't understand. Do they make the pizza first, like and then make you pay after? Is that the situation? I guess that could be. Like, this is bad.
Under arrest. arrest also.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Everybody's under arrest.
Sister, go, bro.
Walk to the car. Walk to the car. Walk to the car. Do you want to go to the ground?
Go to jail, bro. Bro.
Get back.
Let my sister go.
Bro, and then you're gonna go to jail for like a couple days at least. And even if it's one day, like, what if you had work? You're gonna get fired. Well, especially once they heard you didn't come in because you're in jail, you're incarcerated. Bro, it's gonna mess their whole situation up over a fucking $1, bro.
Back it up right now.
Let my sister go. Oh, you
Stop right now.
Okay, bro.
Stop moving. Right now.
Bro, I like the ones where I can kind of be on the cop side and be like, oh, they're so stupid. They should be getting taken down and tased and stuff. But I don't know about this one. I feel a little conflicted on this one. Let me know what you guys, because this is crazy.
Oh, my God, bro.
We need more officers down
Oh, my
here.
God, bro.
Back right now.
Get my stuff. Get my stuff. Get my stuff.
It's a bad enough situation. The last thing you want is somebody nasty foot up in your face while you're on the ground and somebody on top of you.
Yo, let me stand down, please.
Okay, you're sitting in my car.
I'm getting very irritated, bro.
Stand up. You're getting in my car.
My purse. Yeah.
Turn around.
You got my phone?
Passenger side of my car.
Oh my God, bro, this shit is so fucking boring, bro. For real.
And they're not getting out of this, man. I feel like you can't appeal this because they actually did, damage the property, and then they did assault the officers or whatever, resist arrest. They're not getting out of this.
Then y'all just want to slam me on the ground? Like, bro, this
Yes, you hit me in the face.
because you got my sister, bro.
If she would obey, she'd be walking out the police department in 15 minutes. Now you're going to jail.
Record this.
Bro, you never hit an officer, slap an officer in the face, bro. That's the last person you want to assault. Go smack anyone else. They might not sue you.
Record this. You put your hands on me.
It's too late, man.
And I didn't even do it.
You ready? Stand up.
You're not even supposed to be touching me.
What the fuck? Like, come on now, bro. Then he
I was on y'all's side. I'm just not anymore, though, because y'all's reaction. I mean, this was $1. You could have asked nicely if someone could cover for you. Even the cashier, if you were nice enough, bro, they've done that for me before. Like back when I used to go to, gas stations and stuff. Maybe people are mean now. I don't know.
just slammed me on the ground, gang. And he hurt my fucking neck, bro. What the fuck?
You're not even supposed to be touching me. You're a whole dude. You're a whole dude. You're not even supposed to be touching me.
To your side.
I'm getting them. I ain't resisting anything. You not even supposed to touch me. You push me.
Get up. Let's go. Get up on your knees.
Let me stand up. Let my arm go.
Get up.
Y'all touching on me.
Bro, this shit is so fucking stupid and retarded, bro. What the fuck?
Y'all need to take these handcuffs off.
Walk to that car. No.
Call my
Walk
lawyer.
to that car.
We're absolutely not taking the handcuffs. You can call your
Call my lawyer. Make sure they know.
Bro, they always have a lawyer already. That's why they're ready to catch these felonies for $1.
I'm in the middle of a injury lawsuit, and he pushed me. So I did put my hands on him.
Then you just slammed me on the ground, bro. What the fuck? You trying to put your knee?
Maybe that, I don't know. Maybe you can get away with that one, but if there's like body cam of you hitting first, I think it's just over.
Your neck in my knee.
What's your name? Yeah, all their name. What's all their
Sit
name?
down now. Have a seat.
He
Sit
don't-
down, please.
Shut the f*** up, cause y'all me.
Oh, well, she didn't get taken down. That's cool. It was her $12, right?
Down in the
He's
car.
not. He's the supervisor.
Sit down in the car. Sit down in the car. Get in the car.
I am in the car.
You're gonna get all in it. Sit down.
Like, what the fuck? Like, this shit is stupid, bro. He should have just told my sister, okay, you know you gotta pay $1 fee. He didn't even say all that, bro.
This is all over $1. It's $1.
It don't even matter.
He ain't no private gardening.
Oh, it's just the approach is just so aggressive.
Get in the car now.
Chill out.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Sit here when that pushing me.
Back up in the car. After you hit me in the face. Yeah, you're right. Just step back.
Don't touch me.
You can record.
Don't
Just
touch
step back there.
Don't touch me.
I'm not going to touch you.
Don't touch me.
I'm not going to touch you. Just step back. Back up in the car. Get in the car.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm not going to touch you. Put your foot out of the way.
And it's always people yelling the same thing over and over and over, like in these videos. I mean, if they didn't hear you the first time or listen to you the first time, it's not, I really don't think saying it a bunch of times is going to help.
Don't touch.
Move your leg. She going to? Criminal damage, see if she's damaged anything? Was anything damaged?
She just knocked all the shit up. I'm gonna pick it up.
Do you want her charged with criminal damage?
Yes.
All right, 95. 95?
What?
All right, you're under arrest.
Yeah, but that means you were already beefing with the cashier and stuff. If you were just a little bit more chill, I think they would have been okay with the dollar difference situation. I really do.
Arrest also.
I'm not under arrest.
You're under arrest.
Don't touch me. KK! KK!
Wait, what is she going for?
Do you want her charged with criminal damage?
Yes.
Oh, was that her that knocked it over? Oh, man. I thought she got out all clean. Oh, yeah, she hit it right there. No, she did that.
Don't you push on me. Get out.
I swear to God, let's just say I tell it. Yo, that you're racist.
Ah, yeah, it was her. Dang. Dang. Well, they're going to get her, too. She's going to skip a little bit.
KK! KK! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Do not kick. Right now. Take it.
Bro, this is over $1. This got so out of hand. It's not even fun to watch.
Hands behind your back.
Put your hands
They're
behind your
doing what they got to do, but honestly, you guys, I don't know. Where did this go wrong? Like, come on. I'm suing the fuck out of y'all.
You better get an aggravated battery police. That's a felony, gang. Y'all out here tweaking, bro.
All right, we're gonna get you up to your feet.
He even knows, man. The random gas station guy that's always screaming, if he's saying the truth and you're not getting it, we got a problem here.
I don't want y'all to touch me. Don't touch me.
have to help you. You gotta get
Please
up.
don't touch me.
All right, then get up.
Don't touch me. Y'all gonna be here for all day. Don't touch me.
Well, that's not gonna happen. We need you to get up.
Don't touch me.
All right, let's pick her up.
Do not touch me.
Man, I just feel like there's a way to go about things, and this is not, every single decision they've made is not the right move.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Don't touch
Stand
me.
up. Stand up.
Take your legs off.
Don't touch me.
Stand up.
Don't touch me. Let me go.
Stop
Let
pulling.
me go.
You're getting more charges.
Let me go. I don't want you to touch me. Don't let me go.
Doesn't matter. You get what you get.
Let me go. And where's my blade?
Oh, is
I got him right here.
that 3 sets of handcuffs? Oh, wow. Damn. 3 sets?
Put them on my face so I can see.
I'll put him up in the front.
Let me go.
Nope. Sit in the
That was the ultimate plan. Let me go. I command you.
Oh, you don't have a cage? Nope. He doesn't have a cage. Can we put him in one of your cars? She'll be all right.
Where's my blade?
All right, I got your glass.
Hey, she ain't gonna like jump up into the front seat or nothing. I mean, you really ain't gotta worry about that.
I broke my damn glass.
Yeah, they're broken, that's for sure. The your piece looks like they're broken. We're gonna go this way.
Bro, even that. I mean, glasses are like $100, like prescription glasses. Say you get them a steal, it's $20. You're set back even further than the $12 they were willing to take a felony for. So this is just so sad. I mean, they're not gonna get better after this.
Get them fixed. Walmart can fix it. Y'all broke.
Step out. Follow me. Tristan said he's your dad. He's your stepdad? Okay. I know Tristan. Tristan's a good guy. All right, so I don't have to put you in a cell because you've calmed down for me. I'm just going to have you sit right here. Just hang out in here. I'll be
Hey, bro, if y'all would just chill the whole time, they would have been doing things like that for you.
back with you in a few minutes, okay?
Step out, please.
No, I'm not getting out the car into another car.
Bro, if anybody ever gets pulled over, just fucking listen. I don't know. Just you don't have to say anything. Just do what they want you to do and shut your fucking mouth. I feel like it always works out better.
Officer,
Perfect. Hey, other cop. Step out of the car, please.
could you get another cop, please?
Another cop. How many cops you need? There's another one, too. We got 3 now. 4? 4 enough?
Yep.
All right, step on out then. We got 4 of them here.
There's no 4 people here.
3, 4.
She literally what is the plan here? Like they're gonna go as hard as possible on you, and they're gonna let the other girl go.
I don't see the other person too.
Oh, it's about to be 5. Come on, I'm asking you nicely. Let's stop playing
Okay, and I'm
games.
telling you nicely too, sir. You didn't even have to touch me from the beginning. What did you do?
Yeah, well, I guess you didn't have to hit me either, so. Nice and cool in here. You can step right up that way. She's still not wanting to cooperate, so.
I have to do what?
I would ask you to step up here, please. Right where that door just opened. Thank you. Okay, come on in. Right up there where, close to where that officer's standing.
And when you put up a fight like this and you got shit all over your shirt and stuff, and you were acting all hard, and then you gotta listen anyway at the end of everything, at the end of the day, you look so stupid now because you were being all aggressive. You look so dumb.
Right in front of that open door for me. I'll take your handcuffs off. Are we gonna be cool?
I don't feel comfortable with you taking my handcuffs off. Could you want the other people do it, please?
Oh, you want other people to do it?
Me? You want me to take them off? Here, I'll take them off. Is that okay?
Okay, yes, that's fine.
And I'm not real comfortable with you guys right now either because I got punched in the head, so.
Yeah, and I got pushed to the ground.
All right, okay, then you will go to Henry County Jail. Absolutely.
One suspect, Nikita, was charged with felony aggravated battery to a police officer.
Bro, watch the vast difference in these sentencings and charges and stuff. It's gonna be fucked stupid.
Obstructing, resisting, and criminal damage under $500. The second suspect, Kiana, was charged with felony aggravated battery to a police officer, obstructing and resisting. The third suspect, Diamond, was charged with felony aggravated battery to a police officer, obstructing and resisting. They are all innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Oh, so we don't even know yet. Damn, but they all got charged with the same thing. So, not as vastly different as I thought. I immediately am wrong. All right, anywho. That was a pretty good video. Gonna like it. Next one. How to get a felony for $379.